Do you want to know how to make money online and do little to no work? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $180 each time you take a picture. So this is going to be some automated money. You can make money with this. As long as you follow this step by step, you could do this as well. So I'm going to show you how to earn 180 each time you take a picture. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can create a life of freedom and you can crush it and start to have a better life. Now, if you're looking for my number one recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description for you to get started where you can make a passive income. So I could just send it over to you right now. So check out the link in the first description. So once again, I'm going to show you how to make this type of money. And the good thing about what I'm going to share with you that is absolutely free. It doesn't require you any money for you to sign up. It is totally free. You can use this using your phone, of course, or if you have a decent camera, you could do this as well. But for most people, you want to start off with your phone. If you got a good phone, you can take pictures. I'm going to show you how you can earn $180. So I'm going to share with you the payment method that I'm going to be using. And also anyone can do this. Anybody can do this. It's for everyone. So you can sign up and you can get started. So once again, earn $180 each time you take a picture. So let's dive into it. Now I'm going to share with you 2 ways how you could do that. So the first place you want to go on mypic.com. So MIPIC.co. So some people will say MePic, but it's MyPic. So it's a great website that they will pay you just for pictures. If you want to share your pictures on here, they will pay you. So you could sell your photos. If you scroll through here, you could see some of the different type of pictures. These are some art that people put together, and this person right here is selling this from like $102. So if you scroll over, you can see the different price range. There's such as like fashion. People put different designs on clothes, fashion to make it look good. So you can put the design on fashion. There's lifestyle as well that you can do. So if you come through here, you could see all the different things that they use these photos and they upload it right over. So if you like to sell, you could come over here, you could click on sell, and you can sell your art, you share your art, and we'll handle everything else. So when they mean by sharing your art, they're talking about pictures. That's what they're looking for. Because if you like taking pictures, this is going to be a great place. And you don't have to have a fancy camera. If you do have a fancy camera, great. But most people use their phone to take pictures anyways. So if you could take pictures, you don't have to do any editing or anything. Just make sure it's clear, because what they're gonna do, they're gonna work on the image and make sure that it retain like the best print quality. So they'll make sure they do that as well. So you want to bring your art to life. These are some of the things that people do. You could sell your art as a beauty products handmade by lovely people in England. So that's in the UK. They're buying. So they preview how you can share like your social media, and they will handle everything. They will do the printing, they will do the shipping, they will do the customer service. So you basically take pictures, upload it, make money from it, and they will do everything for you. So if you want to put them on here, and you get a chance to build your own catalog, and I'm going to share that with you. So make sure you watch this video, right? So you can become a designer, you could design it, you could set it up, and you can earn 20% commission on every sale. The reason why, because they want to make sure that whatever money that they spend, they can get it in return. So they're going to spend money on like the different products, like the t-shirts and everything. All you got to do is provide the design and they will do all the work for you. So they're going to give you 20% off each sale that you do that. So the payment method, of course, it's PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you want to make sure you sign up for that. If PayPal doesn't work in your country, unfortunately, but make sure that you can get paid whenever you sign up for this. So you can use their app. They have a really cool app that you can even check your sale and see how much money that you're making. So you can make passive income just from this website. I'm going to share with you another website that you can make money from as well. And you could make money just by taking pictures. So you could sell art and you can also sell your photos. If you sell your photos, you click on sell your photos over here, share your photos, right? You bring those photos to life. You can become a photographer and you get paid. Same concept, you're going to get 20%. Now, the next website that I want to share with you is a website that is called Foap. So foap.com for creators. You can come over here. I'll show you more about where you can sell your content. But let's scroll through here and see what they have here. So briefly launch, review, and select, collect, and go. Just come through here and you can see all the different people that are making money from this particular website. So these are the two websites that you can earn money just by taking a picture. That's how cool it is. So you don't have to be like a fancy camera person to make money from here. So you can go over to where it says for the creator, sell your content, and you can get some full points. You can use your phone because you're gonna get money. You're gonna get some Foap coins, and then you can take those Foap coins and then transfer them into money through PayPal. So they have Apple and they have Google. So this is a great place that you could download. So if I click on the Google, the Apple, sorry, if I click on the Apple, so it's a sell your photo. You download the app for free. So these are some of the things that people are uploading. They upload the pictures. You can get $100 rewards. There's $1,200 in rewards every time you turn your photos into money. So you upload the photo collection and sell it to well-known brands all over the world. That's the good thing. I know most people will probably be like, well, I'm going to take pictures and I'm going to get pennies just from getting, well, of course, like if you have a platform that you can sell it on, then you definitely can go and find that platform. But you can make money from these companies just by selling photos. So you can sell your photos through emissions brand like Nivea, Bank of America, Volvo Group, Absolute Vodka. So if you like Absolute Vodka, you could take some really cool pictures. So you create your own web portfolio for buyers to see. So you're gonna set up a portfolio, a portfolio, such as you can get content on like Getty Images, where you can even sell more if you want to sell more stuff on Getty Images. So you upload straight from your phone. So that's what I said. You'll make it from your phone. Once you upload it from your phone, and it doesn't matter how many. So it doesn't matter how many pictures. The more pictures, the better it is. So it's easy to cash out thanks to PayPal. That's where you're going to be receiving your money from Foap as well. Foap is free. What's more, every time you sell your photo, you get a 50% commission. So every mission rewarded starting with a prize of like $50. So if the painting is for 100, you make 50. If it's for 500, you make 250. So that's how they do it and they price it. So on this app, it's a 4.5 ratings. That's a good score on Apple. Very, very good. So folks, so let me check out Android. Android right here, same thing. Sell your pictures, upload it. They were giving you the same information, just what they did. On here, they have a 3.8 ratings. There's people on here that's going to say good things. There's people going to say bad things as well. It's just like anything. Some people are just not going to like the app. Some people will enjoy the app and make money and don't even complain. So sign up for this. You can make money just by taking pictures, and you can start to rack in this type of money. So you can earn up to 180, even more, because once you set it up where you can make a catalog, that's then going to kick in as a passive income. So more than one people are going to buy your photos, not just one particular company or group or anybody else. It's going to be, you're just going to sell. So it can become a passive income over time, and you can make a ton of money. So once again, go on mypic.com is a great website. Share your photo, bring the photos to life, become a photographer, and you get paid via PayPal. Same thing on FOAP. Make sure you click on it, sell your stuff on here, and that's how it works. So they're looking for photos for huge companies. So if you're out and about, you can take pictures of your food, great sunset, cities, waterfronts. If it's winter time, take snow pictures. It doesn't matter. Just keep taking pictures. The more pictures you take, the more money you're gonna make. So earn some money doing this, and make sure you check out the apps. Make sure you download the apps as well, because the app is good. So I hope you enjoy that video. Once again, I was like, earn $180 each time you take a photo. It's gonna be automated money. Once it kicks in, you can make way more than even 180 as well. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know what you think about that video, and I will see you on the next one. My name is Andre. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my #1 recommendation in the description. Peace.